Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my 45th day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you third chapter of the Kam Yog book, and book is the Swami Vivekanand book, and chapter name is The Secret of the Work. Because work is very important for you, you also know about that what is the work. So doing work without the selflessness, because like many people are always doing the work with the self gain only, for just like money, fame and any other things, but don't think that other things. Just like Swami Vivekananda always teach about that real freedom comes when you do work without the selflessness. So it's a very important thing. So also do it these things. You also do it these things because it is a very important thing for the always thinks about the positive thinking. And just like a second thing, salvage attachment vs the detachment. You do because the without the attachment, and attach, what is the attachment? Like someone only work doing the work for the attachment, and what is the just like only for the money and gain and any other things, and most related to the results and rewards always attached it. So it's not a good. Swami Vivekananda always says about that doing work the without attachment, just like a detachment. What is the detachment? Just like you only do your work and without think about the results, because it's also important things. When you don't think about the results, then you do the your real work. So it's also important things. So you also do it this type of things, because your work is very important for you, your life. So that's why you are always doing this type of work. So like some important key points also I learned from this chapter. So what is the key points I learned from this chapter? Just like you do work, and like every actions leave the inspiration in your mind. Just like every action, every thought and every deed create your character, and so your character, so always just like good works makes you stronger, and just like ungood works and like not good works always makes you weaker. So you always doing the good work, it's also important things are there. And just real happiness and real freedom, real success is the service. So what is the when you helping others without the selfish gain and without the selflessness, then you also feel very happy, and you also doing the good work. It's also important things are there. So that's I want to share with you. You always when you helping others, so don't show it I help you. You always help others without the selfish gain. So it's also important things. Real happiness and real success and real freedoms comes when you do work without the selfish gain. So it's also important things in this chapter. So I learn. So okay friends, I learned from this chapter, and you also learn it. So okay friends, bye bye. Take care. I will upload next video tomorrow. Okay friends.